Thinking of selling your home and wondering if Redfin is the right path? Let's break it down in the next 90 seconds. First, let's talk commission. Redfin often boasts lower commission rates than traditional brokerages, typically around 1% to 15% for the listing agent. This can mean significant savings, but confirm the rate in your area, as it can vary. However, lower commission may mean less hands-on support. Redfin agents often handle a higher volume of clients, so assess if their level of service meets your needs. Do you want a dedicated agent available at all times, or are you comfortable with a more streamlined approach? Redfin shines when it comes to technology. They provide tools like online dashboards, 3D virtual tour, and accurate property valuations to help you stay informed and market your home effectively. Explore the website and familiarize yourself with these resources. Redfin's marketing strategy relies heavily on its website and online presence while they syndicate listings to other major platforms. Consider if their approach reaches your target buyer effectively, perhaps by researching listings in your area to see how they are displayed. Let's quickly summarize. Redfin's advantages include lower commission and cutting-edge tech. Potential drawbacks are less personalized agent attention and reliance on online marketing. Ultimately, deciding if Redfin is right for you depends on your individual needs and comfort level. Do you value savings over dedicated service? Are you comfortable managing aspects of the sale yourself using online tools? Research Redfin agents in your area, compare their services to traditional brokerages, and choose the option that best aligns with your real estate goals. Good luck selling.